You're here because you want to use YouTube to grow your own business, right? Once you enroll in this class, you'll learn a variety of modern methods for increasing your revenue and growing your brand using YouTube marketing. How will you do this? You will learn several marketing funnels that I use every day to grow my own 7-figure business out of my home office. You will learn how to optimize your YouTube channel so more people like, subscribe, and ultimately convert into customers. You will learn how to advertise on YouTube, including how to do powerful remarketing campaigns where you can target people who have visited your website. You'll even learn how to control where your ads show, for example, by putting them on your competitor's channel or even on specific YouTube videos. And if you're brand new to YouTube and don't even have a channel yet, that's fine too. I've added lessons that walk you through all of the YouTube basics for setting up your channel properly and understanding all the tools available to you. As a bonus, I've included lessons from our complete video production bootcamp to teach you how to make better videos on any budget. What I love most about this course is that it's all based on real-world strategies that I use every day to grow my own 7-figure business. And by implementing these strategies with your own business and on your own YouTube channel, you should be able to increase your brand and revenue too. With our 30-day 100% money-back guarantee, there's no reason to hesitate. Enroll now and I'll see you in class.